Hi everybody and welcome back into another video, and today we are here with the big OGs. We have Mr.
Kemboy
and Mr. Enoch. So we have our cheering squad right here. Yay! Again, it's another food challenge and you are doing 2 sodas and how many?
9 slices.
9 slices of bread. So we are going to see the winner, and the winner also walks away with 500 shillings and the loser
100 shillings.
100 shillings. All right, so let's the game begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah. Go, Kemboy. Go, guys, go. Go, guys, go. Go, guys, go. Haitakuwa ugali hivyo.
Go guys, go. Go guys, go.
Yay! Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. The winner is. Yeah. Yeah. The winner is around the corner. Go and go. Go and go. Go and go. Go Kemboy. Go Kemboy. Go. Kemboy. Go Kemboy. Go. 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 Yeah. Enoch.
Go.
This is nice. Kemboy, you can do it.
Go and go.
Go. Go.
Go and go.
Go. Go. Go. Go. Go. Go. Go. Go.
Go and go. Go and go.
Someone is Let's go. Let's go.
Go and go.
Go.
Go and go.
Go.
Go and go.
Go.
And go.
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 Go. Yeah. Soda. Twende. Looks like we have a winner. It looks like we have a winner.
Go and go.
Shika. Hey, winner! Yay, we have a winner! Oh. Good job, Kemboy. Kila tano. What happened?
Ulikuwa unajinyongesha mkate, kula mkate kunyonga kula pole. Inaweza pita kwa koo yako.
Shida na kidogo sana. Kama singekuwa nimekula.
Usiai kopi mbili ya mti ya kukula kwa mbili yako.
Nakuambia. Silikuambia tu.
So yeah, we have a winner. It's Kemboy. So this is it, guys. Like, watch, and also do it home. It's fun. Yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye. So guys, the next challenge is fill the bottle challenge. We are going to be using our hands to fill these 2 bottles. We have these ones over here for team 1, and the next one right here for team 2. So the first team to fill in the bottles, we don't know what we are going to give them, but we will know what to do after, okay? So let the game begin. All right, guys, are we ready? So team 1, this is team 1, this is team 2. Yeah. Are we ready? Yeah. You know what you need to do, right? Yeah. Sindio? Mnabeba na mkono mnaenda kumwaga kule ndani. Haya. 3, 2, go. Venye bora tu watu wajaze. No, bora tu watu wajaze. Ungengoja afike. Unangoja afike ndio unaenda. Unaenda mbio, Kurgat. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Auntie, unachukua vizuri. Unakaribia hata hivyo. Run, 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 run. Good. Poa. Good job, run. Good job, V. Nice one. Yes, I am right here. I am watching who is doing it right. But you have to wait for the other person. You need to run. You need to run, yeah. Let's go, team 1. Team 1, you are my friend. Go. You go to the back. Good job. Go. Team 2. Let's go. Faster. Go. You have to wait for another person to come back. Go. Hey, we are almost. Aya, go now. Good job. Kurgat. Kurgat, faster. Go. Yes. The first bottle. We have the winner of the first bottle. Bottle 1. Here. Next. Good job. Right here. Good job. Team 1. Good job. Yay. Kurgat. Nice one. Woo! Nice. You have to wait. Good job, Senge. Good job. Nice one. Yay! Team 1. Team 1. Let's go. Look at team 2. Team 2. Oh my goodness. Hey. Good job. Now they just filled the first bottle. That's so good. Kurgat, good job. Ukoti. Good job, Senge. Good job. Hey, Senge. Senge is doing it so well. Mama Kigen, what's happening? Tell me, what's happening? What's the problem? Good job. Hey. We're having a winner. We're having a winner. Let's find out how are you feeling.
We are the winners.
Second loss. Second loss in a row. How are you feeling?
Very broken.
Team 1, how are you feeling?
In the coming, in the going.
Yes.
We are the winners.
We made it, you know. No cheating.
I'm telling you.
I like the cheater.
Your skill, your talent. Yes. We don't joke. Hey, losers, come here. You tell me. Tell the camera how you're feeling. Come tell the camera how you're feeling. Come tell here. Come tell the people how are you feeling. This is my loser. How does that make you feel?
I'll get a lollipop from you.
How are you feeling, my dear? Why are you guys running away? They're scared, but thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and stay tuned. We'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye. Nice.